Okay, in this video, I'm going to make a banner ad, animated banner ad using 3 free tools. The first is Google Draw, which I'm in right here on the screen. The second is Lightshot Screenshot to take screenshots of my ad. And the third is GIFmaker.me. And these banners are specifically going to be used for the free busy system to get people to click my ads. So what I'm doing here is I've gone ahead and pasted an image of 2 people talking to each other. It's one of my favorite techniques to kind of show a conversation and so that the ad looks like you're listening in on the conversation. And I used the shape up here, insert shape, and the call outs right here to make that little speech bubble. I threw some text inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first screen capture this view. Now what you're going to want to do is try to get it so that it's close to the dimensions of what you're trying to do roughly. But I'm going to just, for speed's sake, keep it right here. See, I can drag my Lightshot Screenshot, which is what I'm using. I'll do that right there. And I'm going to save this one. And then I'm going to change the conversation over. Excuse the kid playing Fortnite in the background. And we'll do, yes, queen. Dope. All right, so they're having this conversation. You're listening in. And you'll see where I'm going with this in just a second. So I'm making my second image here. And I'll make this a little bit bigger. And that's fine. We'll just do 2. Sometimes I'll do 3 or 4. And then we'll save this one like so. So I've got my 2 images. Head on over to GIFmaker.me, GIFmaker.me. Grab my 2 screenshots. Just hit Control. Grab them both. See, it'll load up right here. And you'll see it's moving up here in the top right really quick. So next thing I want to do is I want to set it to the size of the banner ad that I need. So I need it to be 300 by 250 in this case. And it's moving too fast. So I'm going to draw up the animation speed right here. Make it a little bit longer. And then I simply click Create GIF Animation. Oops, I put it in the wrong order. If there were 3, that would be more important. This is just going to rotate, so it's kind of fine like that. But I'll put it in the right order here just to keep it proper. Create GIF Animation, View GIF, View GIF. And check that out. I've got a really cool looking banner ad with 2 people having a conversation. Again, I could have done 3 or 4 more slides to really draw out the conversation if I wanted, but for what I'm trying to do is fine. I'm just going to save the image to my computer. 300x 250. So there you go, creating banner ad images using 3 free tools. If you want to use this particular banner ad to make money from free to join and earn affiliate programs, you can do so at freebusy.com.